Jatan Serikam Lamsawan Target Good Channel Ge Naron Tinigation Katal job notification share kleine non logio naron night on the ana video no choya sak choya kare ge tinini katal job ke to already dal khalajak naron phano ko tin job notification ke RRB do ge RRB group di tabo 2025 tlangnai ge bini exam batongnai ge exam ke tama full exam name ke railway recruitment board RRB group D exam ge mone short exam ge RRB group D ge conducting body ke railway recruitment board ge no frequency of conducting ke once a year mane ek bochor ni suija biabo mane test manata exam level ke matric correction tonai ge language basically language ke language ke naro Assamese Bengali joto subject beno 13 plus 13 tal Bengali English tonai plus Assamese Bengali plus orani lagi watesa Urdu Urdu mai tonai ta musiga okay naro nai manomo application khainai ke mode of application online nangnai ge application fees ke 500 ge mode of exam ke online te offline bo mano online offline no mano online offline counseling ge number of vacancies phaijak busu number of vacancies ke 32,000 expected mane ramdi 32,000 plus hai vacancy tongo ke naro apply khalang thangka ke tam eligible criteria nangnai ke eligible criteria ke naro saikana no ke artam saka the RRB group the eligible criteria consist of several aspects which the candidate need to qualify to apply for exam. Some of the essential RRB group the eligible criteria that are purchased are listed below. Ke RRB group dio eligible mane age limit busu tongnai karena mukana age limit candidate must be between the age group 18 to 36 18 to mane 18 bochor sibi 37 bochor rangke naro or apply khlai mane and there will be an ex realization for certain category like SC/ST ex servicemen ke amno lagibo naro SC/ST ro gumanaita boyes 7 manai ke or apply khain thanga ke tamtamo education nangnai education qualification ke the RRB group the minimum education qualification is passing class 10 class 10 a recognition board mane narok 10 passing ke no or apply khlai mano ke logiwo jodi ITI tongkebo chao diploma ITI borowo khlai mano ke oro naro apply khaimani par naro puila te exam no mari rane ke oro nandare second simano physical ke to physical center candidate need meet certain physical required height weight extra man naro height banangnai plus hilikma ojon banangnai bojika ke tamono parewo tongtamo application fees no application khain thanga ke mane fees to nangnai no railway ni naro semana RRB ni ke category wise ke ramdi tabuk general OBC general OBC ST SC offline বা online gender just to মানে female রংকাকে 250 টাকা খাইনো এপ্লাই claimane do ge general male ni bagai 500 rangnai ge SC ST male ni bagai 250 ongai joto borion bag do general OBC jotan bag no ge general chalarong ni bagin ke 500 nangnai ge PWD ni bagin ke borokbo 250 onko nangnai ta mane fees nangnai ta bujika inke tabo inke oroni exam no tam tongnai puila to exam nai inke exam na notification kisa kam ke pornai di inke or to 100 question ni exam na hajanai ko 100 ta question 1 mark khaina tongnai kaisa ke negative mark botano 1/3 exam ni date nai 90 mane 90 minute 1.5 ঘন্টা exam time do okay RRB group the exam pattern omo CBT or syllabus omokai syllabus tam tongnai kangke narong nai mano mathematics 25 question general intelligence reasoning 30 question general science in tongnai 25 question okay omokai general awareness tongnai current affair ni 30 question total 100 question 100 mark ni do okay kita bagi RRB group di dia physical standard kenaro exam credit khamani poribo kenaro physical mari nei physical tam tongnai kangke maki bini RRB group di 2025 physical standard kangke dasik hadia category tongo male candidate joto male bagai ke 2 feet mane to lift 35 kg weight for 100 meters in 2 minutes without putting it down mane narok 35 kg no basa ko tuyi 2 minute bising 100 meter ma khalnai do inge per second tongo tamo to run 1000 meter in 4 minutes and 15 seconds in one chance mane naro ekbar paino 1000 meter ma khalnai 4 minute bisingo ge burirongni kangke female candidate basically a female rongni kangke 20 kg 100 meter 2 minutes time rejago borok sematino ke borotone 100 meter 5 minutes and 40 seconds in one chance boroni bo tamnai kendra mo apply khana kangke all India must be citizen of India mane jo je jaga India ni borong ken jeng apply khlaimano kintu other countries ni kangke apply khaimangla kem suno naron bagi tini RRB group tini bagi tu phaimani ge salary busuk tongnai busuk mane examination bu semester ngai ang obo je mane official notification ongkornai ang apurun ke naron clear khlai ne kenara ani channel by kering tongdi ge an video kai tongo jotono hambai gechara oro eligible tongnai rok kendro mane study no khlai tongni osto tabo something o January mas simino start ongmano omhai mane khobor mano ta kisa misa website bo upload khaijak kendro jodi check khaina kebo online thangai check khlainai mano RRB new vacancy 2025 keno phainai kendro oro thangoi tebo details kam ke pari nai mano do hambai chotoro